The first way that you can make the honeymoon phase last longer: don't squeeze the lemon. What does that mean? That means if the honeymoon phase was a lemon, do not squeeze it so quickly to get all the juice out of it. Meaning that when you are in the initial stages of a relationship, the woman wants to know every single thing about you. She wants to know your wants, your needs, your hates, your fears. She wants to know everything. Don't squeeze the lemon. Don't tell her everything. Push it off. Postpone it. Keep a majority of you as a mystery. The longer that you maintain the mystery, the longer the fantasy can be sustained. So you need to make sure that you don't give it all up so easy. Don't squeeze the lemon so easy, because the quicker that you squeeze that lemon, the quicker the honeymoon phase is over.